County man accused of using a stun gun to discipline children gets to go home. ABC Action News reporter Andrea Lyon spoke with the sheriff who says there's a problem with the law.
We're frustrated with the law.
Sexual abuse and using a stun gun on at least 7 kids. Despite those accusations, William Angel Morales Torres is going home.
Community beware. He's out, and he shouldn't be.
Psychiatrists deemed Morales Torres incompetent to stand trial, but not insane, so going to the state hospital is not an option.
Well, he was competent to sexually batter a 7-year-old. He was competent to commit aggravated child abuse, and I got a jail that he's competent to be in.
So Sheriff Grady Judd is taking it into his own hands, closely tracking Morales Torres's every movement.
We are taking the court order and we are ensuring that he follows all of the stipulations set forth by the circuit judge.
2 others, Eduardo Vasquez and Elizabeth Tarvin, pled guilty, together spending more than 30 years in prison. A third accomplice is still waiting for sentencing.
We're not giving up. He needs to go to prison for the rest of his life.
In a statement, the state attorney agrees with the sheriff's office, saying the release of the defendant potentially poses a significant risk to the public. The charges will not be dropped. Both the sheriff and the state attorney's office says it is vigorously working to get Morales Torres back where he belongs.
And it makes me very angry that he is not locked up.
In Polk County, Andrea Lyon, ABC Action News.